Yo, what's up, guys? It's me again. I'm outside with my dog, having a walk, and just had the feeling to do a video. A little update in my life, what I'm going through. Yeah, it's been a busy week. I've been at this, how do you say, course or education for taking a truck and bus driving license that is gonna be for until the 8th of April, and yeah, it's a lot of information to take in, and I have done 2 tests exams this week, and yeah, it's been stressful, and I've been so tired in my psyche with all this information that is given and that I'm processing. And anyways, I'm grateful that the whole education is paid by the government here where I live, and all I need to do is just show up and do yeah, make the exams go good, and yeah, make the exams, making the tests, that I'm passing them. Yeah, and it's not easy to be in a class with people, and I try to just focus on my own path and not to engage with a lot of people. And always in this kind of circumstances you get pulled in even if you're not want to be social with others. And why I decide not to engage too much with other people is because I lose focus on what's important to me, and that is to pass this education and taking this truck driving license. And I don't know, I'm just following the footsteps of the creator, God, whatever you want to call it. And I didn't have a plan to work as a truck driver. I used to work as a taxi driver, and then I quit that and started to study in IT, and it didn't go as planned. And I didn't get any jobs with 3 years studying of cloud engineering. So because they want some companies want experience, and I didn't have any work experience because I just graduated and have been studying for 3 years. So, and I also moved to a new country, so that, yeah, blocked the process in some way. So yeah, now the government gave me an opportunity to take this education as a truck driver, so I think it's reasonable, good pay in that area, and I get to work alone, and I also get to work inside of the European Union. So traveling and freedom is highly appreciated with what I want to work with. So that's a positive thing. But being on the road and being in traffic with other people all day long, I don't know if that's so good for my mental health. but at least I'm gonna take this truck driving license, bus driving license, and have it if for future job opportunities, if I want to work extra or something in another country or here. So it's not a bad thing to have. So that's what's happening now, and we also gonna move to a new house in a couple of months, and that is also gonna take some strength, and yeah, it's gonna take some time to adjust with a new place and moving and all of that. So I'm gonna be pretty exhausted, and I need much rest and strength in these times. Also have a dog to take care of, but I have my girlfriend who's helping with me with that. So yeah, I don't know, but I hope everything works out, because I've been like stressed out with not having so much money, and been struggling for 5 years now since COVID came. So I really appreciate working, and I want to make my own economy stable again, and that's what I'm working towards. And I still have some debts to pay. So yeah, that's the goal for this year, is to make money and to pay my debts and save some money also, and think about the future, but also thinking about being in the present, which I'm not every day. But everything works out. I guess, I don't know. I just following the crumbs of the creator. But what I'm gonna say is, like, I have a hard time being with people who are still asleep in the system, and I prefer being alone or with people that I can talk freely and discuss things that really matters in this crazy world we live in. And there's a lot of personal issues I don't want to go into that I'm dealing with also, but I hope by the grace of God and God Almighty, or angels and spirit guides, to help me with those problems or obstacles that I'm facing in the future. But I'm still gonna fight. I'm not gonna give up, and I'm gonna complete this course, and I'm gonna make it. I'm gonna take this driver's license for truck and bus with excellence, and I hope everything works out. Yesterday I failed with an exam with one lousy point. I had to have 20 out of 30 to have passed the exam, and I had 19, so that really sucked. So I have a chance to make that test again next week, and I hope I pass it then. I did an exam today in another topic, and I hope I passed that too. I haven't been noticed yet about that test. So yeah, it's just studying that is on the schedule this month, but also taking care of myself and being in nature and having some good times as well. as much as I can. Thanks for watching, and please leave a comment if you have something to say. I love you all. I love you all. Peace.